Oh hey guys, welcome back to the video, and today I am basically selling the Chevy for a different truck that will be still as great as the tow rig. I'm selling this Chevy that I'm in, the K30, because I already have two other Chevys, because I have the Chevy K1500 and then I have this Chevy. So I'm basically trading this in for a different brand. But the maroon 90s Chevy K 15 or 2500, that's in the shop because I needed some repairs to get done with it, But so yeah, I'm basically getting this thing. But I mean, we're gonna take it around, around for a little bit, before we trade it in. And yeah, this thing didn't have a ton of miles. It only has like 30k miles, which isn't an absolute ton. But I'm gonna top her off with gas and top off the jerry cans with gas. Let me just get gas real quick. Okay, so let me just pay for my gas, which is about 40 bucks. Well, yeah, gas. So yeah, but it is still going to be as good as the tow rig of this. It still is going to have the white cab that this truck has, and I believe it's red too. I don't quite know. I don't remember. But yeah, I will say it is actually, might as well say it's a Ford. Because I mean, I've only kind of been getting Chevys lately. Oops. And yeah, so I'm kind of just letting this truck go. I still have my other grandpa's truck, so I'm gonna keep that for a while, like a lot longer, until she starts giving me problems and dies off. But then I'll probably end up restoring it and stuff like that. But cause just gotta park in the garage, make sure everything's tightened up, and yeah. Okay, everything looks to be tightened up and pretty good, but I mean, we should at least have a little bit of fun, like a little bit off-roading fun. Yeah. I'm not gonna try to beat her up too bad, because I am getting rid of her, so. Yeah, she flexes pretty good. No, it doesn't flex as good, because it's a dually, but I don't want to scrape her. But yeah, guess we could probably go look at the truck. I had to hit the highway, and then we'll do our speed limit's about 50, so, but I don't want to do any illegal routes, so. The reason why I'm selling this is because, it has 30k miles. Like, my grandpa's put about 10k, I put about 20k on it. Not like a ton, or like, no, he's put 15, I've put about 15. And, this truck just kind of is, I mean, it's a great truck, but it's just, it's giving me some issues that the dealership that I'm trading in with the Ford is, is gonna be a little bit better, for towing, I feel like it will be better for a little bit better for towing. But yeah, I guess we all just go. Oh, sorry guys, I'm kind of yawning. But turn the lights on. So we're gonna have to use the blinker in a second. Okay, let's go in. Turn. Oof. Okay, so we'll stop here. Oof. Oof. Okay, so I guess let's kind of look at the vehicles that there is. Guys. Let's kind of look at the vehicles that there is, and yeah. So we got our Chevy here, which will be up to the dealership in a little bit. But now I'm buying a truck. I just want to look at these other cars and see what they have. So maybe I want to buy something else. To kind of see what I'm buying. You know, this is actually kind of beat up car. Wonder what they're selling this for. It has like this is almost like someone took a car, beat it up kinda. The interior seems a little stripped out. Not too much, at least the back seats are stripped out. Not bad. Not a bad car, it's just, you know. And then they also took like a Jeep Cherokee front end, or like front grille and the headlights, and they just somehow slapped it on this. I don't know, it just looks like that to me. And you got Prius here, not bad, not bad. And then another Prius, black Prius and an orange Prius. Orange is kind of, yeah. And then you got this pickup, which for some reason has a tree in the hood area. I don't know. Okay, here's a Tesla. Here's a there's another truck. Not bad. But here's another car. There's another car. There's another car. Truck. Alright, what is this right here? Is this a 77 downside? Woo! This is actually really nice. This is actually what I was actually kind of looking for. I just wasn't sure if they actually sold it or not. This is like a perfect truck for me. It even has a winch pre-installed. I had to install my winch. It does have a leaf spring, which isn't bad. I'm not taking any discounts because I'm gonna keep this probably the way it is. Maybe do a little bit of upgrades to it. It does have a nice white cab. It is red. I mean, I kind of like red. This red white cab look. And yeah, nice silly fenders, nice and wide. Also, it's a little bit raked, but I think that's just because of the towing setup it has with it. But man, this is a nice Ford. Dent side, I got that dent side grill, which is angled. But yeah, I guess I probably should talk to the guy. There's about the same cars over there. About how much he wants for it. And yeah, and sign some pictures, I guess. Okay, I'll be right back with you. Let me turn off the camera real quick. Okay, guys, so now I'm walking out with my brand new truck. He just said to park it kind of near. Doesn't really matter which direction, but kind of near the dent side, but he actually wanted only really $9,500 for it. I got a discount for like the winch and the rims and tires, because they're the exact same. There's the almost exact same suspension, exact same rims and tires, and this also has a worn winch on it. Mine has a worn winch too. The 7,500-pound worn winch on this one. And that truck has like the dent side has a. Oof, I don't want to hit any of these cars. But it has like a 12,000-pound winch. Oof. I'm just gonna. Well, I guess this is kind of goodbye for the old truck. Little background kind of blocking the cars, but yeah, this is goodbye, farewell to the old K30, and then we'll hop in the dent side, cause I mean this is a brand new truck. This is like brand new to me. Wow. Oh yeah, this truck is nice. Yeah. So yeah, I guess so. I just had to pop my fingers real quick. Yeah, I guess I did also top this with gas from my jerry cans, and I put them in this truck. Yeah, so I guess we should have about half a tank, so I mean, didn't really expect too much. But yeah. I'm just gonna turn the lights off because it's not really quite night. It still hasn't been fixed. Yeah, whatever. I'm not really gonna worry about it too much right now, because I'm really just focusing on the the dent side. Oops. These trees are also on the road. It's kind of dangerous. Because, I mean, if you're at night, and I mean, if you're doing this at night, and you're like, wait, am I off the road or something? And is that a tree that I'm about to hit? And then you hit it, but then you're still on the road. It's kind of dangerous, but, yeah. I mean, I'm not gonna hit. They don't even have any barriers or anything. Slow down ahead, like yield or something. Yeah. This is, I guess, my, new truck. There's a trailer. Yeah. And so, yeah. But, guys, this is, well, not quite the end of the episode, because this will have some more time. But this is the end of the grandpa's, episode. So, if you want to leave, or if you want to, you don't have to watch the whole video. It's just kind of to show that I got the membership now. As you can see, this is kind of what I wanted to do to show off that now I am a member and I can have any vehicle I want. And yeah. So I'm gonna continue on with the video for a little bit, and I'll at least make it maybe a 18-20 minute video and showing kind of what I've done. So we're gonna exit this, and eventually I will probably end up selling the Chevy, the K30, because I'm kind of basically replacing it with the dent side, because I really love this dent side, not this one. I do like this one, but it's not quite the truck that I'm looking for. This one. This is the one I love. So yeah, but basically bought 3 out of the 4 member only vehicles, because like the Deuce and a Half was just a little bit much for me, but so I have this dent side here, Actually, I forget if it's diesel fuel. No, it's gasser. Kind of keeping with the gasser theme for the Grandpa's Roleplay series. And then I also have the tank, which is a beast, an absolute beast at crawling. And then also Bigfoot, Bigfoot 1. And then I have my lower den side, which is super clean. And I also summoned in the car show. I'll probably show you guys that in a little bit. And then I have my crawler rat rod with a blower motor. And the lights up top, And my 200-mile-an-hour install park, I think if you do it just right, you can hit like 204 or so. But most of the time I'll hit like 195, or at least higher than 195. Or 195 or higher, I guess. But yeah, this is kind of my, it's twin turbos and it's gasser. Yeah, it's my drag tune, and I have on some of these vehicles I do have the custom flags. Like on my tank, I have 2 custom flags. On Bigfoot, I have 1 custom flag with 1 regular flag. Probably in a different episode, I will build out this truck, which I already have set, and it's going to be built as a SEMA truck, basically, because I sold the F450 SEMA truck, and I kind of wanted to build a different model of truck as a SEMA truck. So yeah. But sorry, my mind just. But yeah, so I am a member. As you can see, 20 grand, 250 gold. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to show you my which vehicle I have in the car show, or well, I kind of told you, but weird, like what to look for. And I have this, this tank, they're all unlocked. Okay, so yeah, submit now. It's already full, which, oh, nice. But we're gonna go to the newest, and then we're gonna go back. So it shows like the absolute first vehicles that were kind of in the car show, that were put in the car show. And here's my truck. So it says, this is your rig, removed from car show. But everything has it started. It's clean rig by me, which is Offroad Outlaws Boys YT, aka Flying SEMA Truck. Because that one episode that I did, the hashtag Flying SEMA Truck, But this thing is as clean as I could make it. Or at least as clean as I can make it for a lowered rig. And for lifted, I can make really clean lifted rigs. But not like, I can't always make a clean lowered rig. Okay, so, the tank glitches on the trailer, so I'm not really gonna take it out. I'm gonna take out this, single player. I know it's a rock park, and I'm bringing with the worst tires in Offroad Outlaws, with a, lowered truck. I do have my rat crawl in the back of here, so that's fine. And I will say, the tank eats through mud. But, yeah. I mean, yeah, she squats and, that goes through the bed. But, even with no trailer, it's not too bad. I'm not saying it's too bad. I mean, yeah, it clips through, but I honestly don't mind. It's clean the way it sits. Like, whenever it just sits, it's just a clean lowered rig that I built. Thinking about selling it, but, always get through the car show. Can I climb this? Yes, sirree. Ooh, maybe. No. Yes. Okay. So we are gonna got the rat rod with a blower motor in it. I'll turn on the lights. This thing absolutely just sends. Like, this is a full send vehicle. Vehicle for full sending. Did decide just to put the Offroad Outlaws flag on it because, I mean, you know, I might as well. And as you can see, it climbs that no problem. Well, it did have a few problems, but you also have to kind of keep in low gear. Because, I mean, it actually hits, like, probably about 100 or so in, we're going to load this back up on the trailer. We're just going to reset. But it only goes, like, 100 or so in just on itself. The gear thing it has. We are going to leave. We can do another video about testing, like, what my crawler builds for member-only vehicles can do. Like, what can the tank do? What can and cannot the tank do? What can and cannot my rock crawler, rat rod do? Like, you know, that sort of stuff. But if we go single player or multiplayer, it doesn't really matter. And I actually have made technically one map out for the public, which is Speed Tester by me, and I also have a realistic RP map or roleplay, which isn't finished. I'm still working on it. So let's might as well just show you it. This is it so far. Kind of have a drag strip right here, or like just a little bit of speed tester. Like, you could start, if you really wanted to, you could start all the way at the PD and then go like until you hit the wall. But then I kind of already have the layout set. Like, you kind of have like a shop right here with some horse stables, the trailer park or camping area, and then a police station with a prison and stuff, and all the way over here. And then you have some mud pits. I still need to make this way go out, and I think. Because I think I'm gonna join. Let's do this. Modify terrain. Height. Lower. Sorry guys, not really used to this. So it's kind of have a water hole right there. We're gonna there. Size it down just a little bit. Apply. Also want to apply. Okay. As you can kind of see, this is the PD. I probably will end up making a gate right here between the kind of like the campsite area and the PD, but right now. But you have about a tent area. Actually, you got about 4 or 5. Yeah, about 4 area or like camping spot. This is honestly kind of weird. This thing is pretty good of a truck. Pretty based of a truck, if I might say so myself. As you can see, the mud's just right there. Now, I will say the tank isn't fast, but god dang it, she has, like, it's not made for speed, but that thing is a great crawler and absolutely perfect for mud. Like, it does not even freaking, it like can go like 10 miles an hour through mud. I don't map. Modify terrain. Probably why. Hi. Let's say how them. Don't have the right spot. Blind. Bro, I'm just gonna exit that because I know I messed that up. I don't know if it'll count because I mean I may just have to deal with the mess and end up trying to fix it later. Went from trying to be a 20-minute video to a 30-minute video. I'm going to show you my two maps. Realistic roleplay is not finished at all, but you know, but this map is completely finished. It has 2 mud pits, and then this, which is a direct strip, I can hit about 3. But I can hit about 300 in this. This thing goes pretty fast. But I mean, I can go pretty fast in this. It's just really getting up to speed. And there's a dip. But if I can get up to the correct speed, then I will. I haven't hit the top speed. Cool. MS top speed. Oh, you know what? I did make this longer. Holy cow, that will send you up in the stratosphere. So I could, As you can see, I can hit about 300. Don't ask why I'm doing that. It's just because whenever I hit the wall, it takes a bunch of damage, and if I do this while still holding the gas pedal, or just let go, then I won't, and then I don't have to pay any money for damage. Yay. Actually, just one more test. Honestly, it's gonna be one more test, and then I think the video should be able to be over. Yeah, 100 miles an hour, like, this, I know this is not a rat rod, it's kind of supposed to go fast, but, I mean, she ain't that fast. She ain't that fast. But, yeah, guys. Sorry, I said chicken. This is the end of the video. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. And, sorry. My mind's just kind of blank. And, let me load from car trailer storage. There. Oh, if I could actually find this car. Hold on. Oh, it is. Car menu. And there we go. But I kind of hope you guys did enjoy the video. And I'm now a member, so I can make so many different builds. And this channel can improve much better, more. So, yeah. So, guys, I'll see you on the next one, and bye!